Hi everyone, just want to make this video as a tip for anybody experiencing the same problem here. This is a 6-inch Fireline backflow preventer. It's made by Park USA, and when we installed it, there's no water dripping, and then all of a sudden after a couple of months I noticed water is dripping from that black bottom plastic part, and it's not dripping a lot. It's dripping probably about one every 5 seconds, maybe to 10 seconds, but it's enough to obviously become a problem, and because it should not drip at all. So I asked around different plumbers, the plumbers that installed it, etc., and then they actually told me a procedure, and I'm gonna share it with you, how to get this thing fixed so that it stopped dripping. So what I was told to do that worked basically is that first you need to drain, you need to shut down this water here. So this is the water supply, is coming from here. Shut this down completely, which means that that stem right there is going to go all the way down. So once that is shut down, go ahead and drain all the water from this point forward. So you would want to shut down, open up that this particular valve right here, open up this valve right here, I open up that valve right there, I open up that valve right there, and then all the water pretty much would come out of it. And once the water are all out, I would wait about probably 15 minutes until everything just kind of trickles to a stop, and eventually everything stops. Actually, it did not stop all the way, so I had to make sure that I tighten this side a little bit more, and eventually that valve right there, or that pipe right there, stopped completely, and then everything just completely stopped. Now something happened while I was doing this draining process. As I was shutting down this valve and that valve, there was a moment that a bunch of water just all of a sudden come out of that black plastic part, and some water also came out of that this pipe right here that was dirty. It was kind of like it had soil in it. So I think that's what causes perhaps this issue, so that there's some kind of dirt in the system that needs to be flushed. So once again, this is off, and everything there forward is open. So everything has been drained out of the system, and then I close everything there. So now we're going to the procedure of turning everything back on. So I close that that valve, I close this valve right here, I close this valve right here. So everything forward now is closed instead of open, and then I close that particular valve, actually, meaning I block it. So so that valve right there is closed, and everything is closed on that side. That means water is not coming to the property. All right, so now this is closed, everything is closed, and I'm gonna start opening this main valve right here. All right, so I start opening that valve, and again everything else is closed, so I hear the water going through, and it leaks a little bit. It just there's some water that comes out of it, and it immediately stopped. And ever since then, I haven't seen a single drop of water out of it, which means that it's been fixed. So once I open this all the way, and that one is still closed, and then eventually I let it settle for a couple of minutes, and then I start opening that, and everything is still doing really good. So there's nothing dripping, everything is still good, dry. And I think that was a successful flush of whatever dirt that was in the system. All right, so I just want to share this procedure. It fixed my issue, and hopefully if somebody have the same issue, this will fix yours also. And if it does, please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can share it to people who has the same problem, and hopefully this can help. Thank you for watching, and if you find this useful, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.